Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal regular process video. I decided to take a class with Erica Creates. She is one of my downlines for Close to My Heart, and we have been coming to be really good friends. And I was like, you know what? I want to support her business over the International Scrapbooking Day or weekend or however you want to look at it. And I and Fran purchased her class. Now, I always go off the grid. She even knew, like, when we were chatting and stuff during the live that she had, she even said that. She's like, I knew Miranda was going to go off the grid. I knew she wasn't going to follow anything. And I didn't follow. But it was funny, though, when I did get this started and back the cut file now. Her kit came with the thing already backed and ready to go for us, and all we had to do was glue them together and put them together and, and then do our layout. Well, when she sent over a couple of what the photos look like to the layouts that she did, I kind of followed it. I didn't back my photo behind the hearts like she did, but I did kind of tuck it and whatnot because this collection is the Oh Happy Day collection from Simple Stories, and I've already used this once, and now I put all of the little bits that I had left of it. I had maybe a layout and a half left of this collection to use up, so I just put it all together, and now you'll be seeing this yet again throughout my process of whatever I decide to do with this collection. And I was like, you know what? I want to start out with this one because she sent quite a bit of cut files, so I can't wait to use them because they're already cut. I just got to back them and use them. So that's like the beauty of it. That's what I'm excited for. So I am just backing this little guy, or I backed it and I did the glue dots, and then I took the little things off the dimensionals, and I'm going to tuck my photo right there. And by the way, this is going to be my last layout. I had to an adult a little bit during the National Scrapbooking Weekend, the International Scrapbooking Weekend, and I had to, do laundry and all of that kind of stuff because if Josh was home, I wouldn't have had to do near the amount of stuff. I would have been able to just scrapbook and film like I've done in the past. But because he's not here, I have to adult and then be able to play. So as you can tell, I'm down in my dining room area because no matter how much I try to stay still and barely move, it just bounces everywhere. There's nothing I can do. So I'm sorry about that. But this is the last video of that because I was only able to film three during this weekend versus the last time I nailed quite a bit of them. But it's okay. Fran and I still had fun. We had to adult, or I had to adult, and yeah. So here I am. I'm just placing this guy in there, or this little picture in there, and it is of my daughter. She got this snail mail in the mail from her teacher during COVID. And during that first major part of the lockdown back in April of 2020, and it's funny because as her teacher was sending out stuff to her students, I was working on things with Jean-Pierre and our students that we had sent out, and it's gonna be funny because on Sunday, whenever this goes up, it'll probably go up after it, but on Sunday when I'm doing this voiceover anyway, I did what I sent to my students. So I thought it was kind of, unique that I decided to do this, but it was really funny. I messaged her and I said, you know what? I said, great minds think alike. And she's like, why? I said, because as you're sending stuff out, we're working on getting stuff out to our students. And I just said, great minds think alike. I think it's so, so interesting that us teachers, that no matter what gets put in front of us, those kids become first. It doesn't matter. Those kids come first. So here I am. I'm going through all of the embellishments because I got the full collection. I didn't get just bits and pieces of it. Like, I got the whole thing yet again. So it was fun to just go reminisce through all these little bits and bobs again, because it's been a minute since I've used it. And there is a few pieces that I got that I didn't get with my, the initial set, so that was nice, like the bows. I added the bows were in this kit, and I added 2 of the bows, and I can't wait to use them because they are made of paper, well, along with a paper clip, but the paper can be smushed, so it's not so heavy dimensioned on it. So I'm just adding all these little hearts and color tones to all of the to the other hearts that are already there, and I make it pretty simple. I don't really document much because I'm pretty good about remembering like what it is, and so it's easy for me to just let, you know, like if somebody asks, I can say, oh, it's this, and I can ramble it off. So I'm just going through everything. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you if you're brand new. I'm getting close to that 3,000 subscriber giveaway, and I would love to be able to hit that this year in 2021, so that I can give away my two big giveaways that I always do every year, or every time I hit a huge milestone. And 3,000 subscribers in 5 years would be amazing. I think it's awesome. I know for a fact that when I hit my anniversary in November, I am definitely going to have something. I probably will do like a scrap lift or something like that. And then obviously when I hit my 3,000 subscribers, I will have a hop as well, like I always do. So here I am. I'm just placing everything down. Life. Let's see here. What's going on with life? Not too much. Obviously, I think I've already said that when this probably goes up, I think I've already talked about how I'm learning from home, but I had to go into school. Mother's Day has already passed. So, you know, I'm staying home. Obviously, there's not much I can do because, you know, I'm home. And if you hear my daughter in the background, I am so sorry. She's acting crazy and it's driving me nuts. But if you hear her, it's just her in the background in her room being funny. But other than that, pretty much nothing really going on. I mean, I do know that we've got things that are coming up for school. I'm almost done with school, and I decided for the Fierce of Hearts, I am going to be doing summer school. I decided to sign up for summer school for teaching my kids. So I will probably be teaching 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, somewhere around there for the summer. But it's only 4 days a week for a half days. So it's not so bad. It won't be too bad. It'll be fun to do. It's just to get out of the house. Kaylin will be coming to school with me and going to school as well. She'll actually be partaking in the summer school, but she won't be with me. She'll be getting taught by one of the other students. So, by one of the other students, the other teachers. So, that is happening this summer for the month of June. Now I'm just rounding off and doing up that, and then that is it. Make sure you look at the still shots. The still shots are definitely coming up. I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do everything, and I absolutely love y'all. Stay safe, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.